Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and also my assistant technician Patch, who's being pretty lazy right now. If they're old enough to eat, they're old enough to work. That's the way I look at it, and this one's being pretty lazy. So anyway, this unit is out of a 69 Dodge Coronet Super B, comes from Todd in Fresno, California. Thank you, Todd, for your business from California. Todd's requested the modern internal conversion to add FM. He's also requested the Bluetooth feature, HD radio, and my cool master input-output box that has all of your preamp outputs, subwoofer output, and aux input all in one handy location. Whenever a customer requests this, when I'm ready to test the radio, I'm looking on the back for the aux jacks to make sure I install it. And I was like, oh man, I still got to put the aux jacks in, forgetting of course that the aux jacks are already on this cool box. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong AM station I get in my area. So let's go ahead and fire it up.
At the radio station.
And while we have it on talk radio, we're going to demonstrate the balance and fader functions, and we'll need the meters for that.
I would like to tell you that March is fundraising month
left,
for
right, balance.
PragerU. If you would like
All
to
way
support
right.
PragerU, you can go to
All way left.
PragerU.com
Right.
or call
Left.
833-PragerU. That's
Center 'em.
PragerU.com or call 833-PragerU.
Okay, now we're going to activate our front rear fader.
A quick note about PragerU, just for the fader adjust.
Okay, so now we're using a tone control to adjust our front rear fader.
PragerU changed my life. PragerU
This is all done with the tone control.
The reason why I am in this
all the
trip.
way front,
and PragerU is the reason
all the
why
way
I
rear.
am conservative. And I would even go so
Let that
far as
time
to
out.
say that PragerU fader set.
Okay,
It is
let's make sure the
reasons why I am
Bluetooth
a
goes into
happy,
pairing mode.
Clear thinking, Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so we
No,
know the
that
Bluetooth's
sounds
working
like
right.
very
Alrighty, let's go to
high praise.
FM.
Some may think that it
For a quick test. Okay, there's our FM.
Discomfort and bloating. These symptoms were studied in
I'm going
combination.
to just run through a
not
few
individually.
stations here
Do
just
not-
so you know the FM's working. We don't need these anymore.
Well, I'll tell you. He says, I feed my heart.
Okay, so you get the idea. The FM's working fine. Let's go ahead and test the 8-track function. Neil Sedaka. Okay, right at the end of a song here, so. Okay, end of a song there too. So it might be time for an automatic track change. We'll see. Nope.
The moon is bright, I was in wonder. Like I do for love. You have made her down, cause your babe put her down is where I find shiver in your my heart goes pitter patter.
Alrighty. Pull the tape out and the radio comes back. So everything is tested and found to be in working order. Let's make sure the dial light comes on and off. I already know it does because I was looking in there. Yep, yeah, nice little soft bluish green glow there. Unfortunately, there's no way to see it from your point of view, so you'll just have to take my word for it. Alrighty, so unit's ready to go. I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to your old ancient AM 8-track radio. The 8-track will come back sounding a little brighter. Of course, it'll have FM and a heck of a lot more output power if you choose to go with a new harness instead of the original connectors. So, thanks once again for watching and listening, guys. Thank you, Todd, for your business from Fresno, California. And anyone who wants to reach me for service, just visit the website below. Print a work order so you can get my options and prices and turnaround time options as well. So, thanks again, guys. We'll see you next time.